So we found the London Fields. My favorite rom-com. Chowder. Mumble crumble. Cheese flour. Thank you. Beautiful sunset. Arriving at Tesla. Morning.
Sorry, nandito ka. Ay, yan pala si Jen.
Dito. Another day here in London. Basically, this is our third day on our way to Borough Market, hoping to eat some good food. Last full day, going back to Paris tomorrow. Sana today will be good, no?
If only na kami, na feel safe kami dito. Feeling ko mag-extend kami kasi hindi kami nagbo-book ng Paris.
True.
Wala kaming tickets ng train, wala kaming lahat before kahapon.
Gusto sana namin talaga na mas mahaba yung stay namin dito sa London. The reason hindi kami masyadong, kumbaga open booking. Wala kaming naka-fix, no? Flexible.
Okay na ako sa isang telephone picture at makita ko na si Big Ben.
London Bridge. That's the Tower Bridge.
Oh!
Okay, that's a Tower Bridge.
This is the London Bridge, yeah.
What's the London Bridge? This one?
This one.
Different.
Oh,
Boring. Nothing.
So funny.
All tourists think that one is a London Bridge. Booked me London Bridge, and when I dropped him off, he was upset I didn't take him to the London Bridge. I said, "This is a London Bridge." No, that is a London Bridge. He said, "No, that's a Tower Bridge." This is a
Good thing we met you first.
Hopefully you didn't want to go to Tower Bridge.
Is that
good? No.
Not good?
Tower Bridge?
Yes.
Yeah, that's pretty. It's nice. No, I mean, you booked London Bridge, not the Tower Bridge. Yeah.
Yes.
Not yet.
You booked the Borough Market. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, this is the Borough Market.
You're gonna have a street food?
Yes.
Yes.
We
What
haven't
kind of?
eaten since last night.
Yeah. What kind of food?
What is London best food? What
Best
do you
food in
recommend?
London.
I don't know. London best food. I have no idea. It doesn't exist London best food.
Oh my God.
Okay.
But it's
You heard it, ha? London food doesn't exist. So ano kaya i-expectin natin dito sa Borough Market, which is highly recommended tourist attraction.
yeah. I think the strawberry with the chocolate is a popular thing. Wait, this is a popular landmark, di ba?
Which one?
Yeah, tower. Best tower in Europe.
Tallest tower in Europe daw yan, guys. Here we are!
Wala ka namang dala sa bulsa mo.
Wala, nasa loob. Ang fresh ng mga gulay. Fresh, oh.
British pound ba?
Yes, British pound. Mga cheese nila, B. So green. Yes, we've seen a vast choices of cheese sa Italy. No? Don't touch. Medyo mabaho.
This place ni June. Market.
Talaga. Ayun yun.
Where did you get that one?
Okay, thank you. Nahanap natin yung paella. Imagine din yung paella sa London.
Sikat siya dito.
Oo nga, Mare. Pero that is
Sikat din yan, si Oyster Bar. So this is the famous paella.
Yes, it is.
Wow.
Can we get some more?
This is a mussels mariniere.
This one, same?
Yeah, the same.
What are we gonna order? The seafood paella.
Ay, isa lang yan, B. Puro seafood paella lang. Ilan na orderin? Dalawa? Dalawa?
Gusta?
Okay naman, except medyo salty lang. The tahong is good. Melts in your mouth. Sardo! Mami Heidi's fave.
Mami, tapon muna namin ito.
Sige.
Or i-order ka muna.
Uy, cheese! Royal cheese. Sardines. Dami ng saan.
Make your own box. Trout in olive.
That's just a love in the tin. To make it love in the 75, you just need lemon juice and a teaspoon of that. Double tablespoon, and they fill up the glass of Prosecco. Really, really good.
Delicious.
Jennifer said they have good drinks right here. I'm trying to find out what. It looks good.
Ang ganda ng post office nila.
Totoo ba?
Merong personality. Rambutan. Yes. Palengking.
True. Pero hiwa-hiwalay pala.
Oo nga parang kanya-kanya din.
May greens, may something, cheese.
Parang hindi siya concentrated into one place.
Ano tong guabaw? Ba't nahaluan na?
Uy, soup!
Yan, soup.
Ano yun?
Crumble.
Crumble? Kala ko chowder. Mukhang chowder Being mahilig sa sabaw ang mami nyo. Malaki pala tong Borough Market. And like walking until we found this nice photo spot. Look at that. Nice, ha? It's giving Harry Potter, ha?
Everyone's eating the strawberry.
Harry Potter, you know. The popular Humble Crumble. Mahaba ng pila.
Babe,
Ito yung bestseller. Unfortunately, hindi ako mahilig sa cinnamon. I don't like anything with cinnamon Siyempre cold. Yung chill. Di ba hala? Kaya ko pa yung mababayad.
chill daw. Ano naman ako fan ng mga apple pie?
Ito yung one thing popular daw na very London. Not a fan of anything with apple. At saka with cinnamon.
So, same na same. Pero I think let's give it a chance
Oo.
kasi it's London. May mga local kami na kilala din na sabi nila, hindi nila alam anong masarap na food. Pero itong humble
Ito,
crumble.
nababanggit nila to.
Ito.
Pero kung gusto niyo ng dessert, sabi niya, Humble Crumble. Okay.
It's better.
The classic
Classic apple.
is cold or hot?
They're all hot.
All hot.
Contactless payment. They don't accept cash. Alam mo, in-order natin.
kinuha mo, no? What's that? Oo, parang pastel din nata ng Lisbon.
Yeah. Humble crumble.
Dinayo pa ni Hazel dito sa ano.
True. This is what I'm most excited about. Nandun pa lang ako sa Korea, nasa listahan ko na to, guys.
That's your
Parang ano?
Parang mas nice kesa sa pastel dinayo. Pero parang bakit kaya mainit?
Ano ba? Alam mo, kailangan nyo lagyan ng crumble, I think.
Kasi yung crumble sa ilalim. What is the crumble made of?
Parang siyang ano, tunaw na
Ano, parang egg
cake na hindi pa fully luto sa oven, tapos nilabas mo agad. Parang masarap yung order na.
Ang na-recon nila is hot dog. Oh, what's this? Ito mo kay yummy, B. Mga potatoes and chicken. Hindi siya sa ganyan.
Mac and cheese. Potatoes to. Ayun, mac and cheese.
Tapos may bacon, B.
Clay pot prawn noodles, clay pot chicken noodles.
Yes. Authentic Thai food. Ooh. Aga nila ditong mag-wine, mag-margarita. Yung mga drinks mostly are with liquors. Kaya hindi kami makabili. Hindi namin alam kung saan bibili ng inumin. Ba't ganun? On the second daw market. Ang sabi ni ate mo. Na Singaporean food, Mimi. Oh, lahat may representative. Arabica over there. Ganda nito, guys. For the cheese flour.
They have them also with lobster?
Beto siya. Kasi na baka mabasag sa bagahe.
So cute! May lalagyanan pala ang mga itlog.
Parang nice. Ayan o guys yun. Finally, we found the drinks.
Moving down, please, guys. Guys.
We've got the best result. Right,
Last two things. I feel like we need to try this kasi parang ito lang din naman yung isang food na sinasabing London food, no? Fish and chips. Okay. So, try na natin. Oo nga, awardee eh. So, magkano?
14.
Ay, ano yung 12.95? Ayan, today's special
Sea bream. Hindi siya fish and chips.
Yeah, we got fish and chips.
Yeah,
How much is that?
you got plain and sea bream.
What is sea bream?
Sea bream is a meaty fish with a high flavor, more flavor.
The other one is, what is,
Thin fish. Place is thin fish.
I mean, what is the best seller?
The seller is code, but we don't have code at the moment.
It's the fish in the fish and chips. Thank you.
So ang chips is, ano, price?
Asin? $2 to be, ah. Fish. Walang timpla. Ano lang? Kinover lang, tapos pinrito na.
Eating the fish and chips.
True.
Medyo bland nga sila.
Oo. Walang walang
Lalasa.
Walang lasa. Walang timpla itong fish. Not even salt and pepper. So parang pinrito lang
Pero, na-appreciate ko na wala siyang lasa. Ako lang ba? Or I appreciate it?
And one more. Oh my God. Three samples. Anybody want to try, guys?
We're here at the risotto.
Let's try.
Makikitikim kami. Tikman mo.
Come on, guys, come and try the best risotto in town. Extra mushroom, extra cheese for us. Come on. Hello. The other two, yeah? Guys, come and try. The other two, sir.
Masarap.
Tumingin ko muna. Yung free taste nga daw, wala daw parmesan yan.
Wala pa. Maalat na.
Anak, ang alat na, no? Breads. Pretzel. Pretzel. Bread ahead. Creme brulee donut. Wow. Oh. And that is brown sugar?
Yeah.
What's the flavor then?
It's like creme brulee.
A lot of sugar. The famous donut.
Plain donut.
Isa lang nakabox pa? Wow.
Dapat ba more din tayo?
Baka si ano yan?
Hazel's ordered creme brulee and pistachio.
One cheesy after that.
Thank you. Side, you take cheese on the side. You can see everything.
There you go, boss.
Mga kainan dito, walang upuan. As in, palakad-lakad ka. Ayan, hindi ko na naubos ang aking risotto.
Maalat, sobra. Sige, kagatin na lang.
Presentation is the key. Ano?
Sa TikTok kasi sabi dito, best donuts in London.
Nakakaiyak, B.
Kalasa niya si Lola Nenas.
Donut.
Ano? Ano ka?
Kaya naman sasabi ko naman, freshly baked yung donut bago. Kaya medyo fluffy siya. Okay naman, pero walang something special.
Wow.
Ouch! Tesla!
Tesla? Wow.
You don't see anything. We're good, thank you. How are you doing today?
Very good, very good. Thank you. Yes, thanks a lot.
Finally
Come on.
tried some
Come and see.
London food.
Yeah,
Come on.
how is it? Good.
Do you like London food?
London food, it depends which food you eat, to be honest.
What's your favorite London food?
My favorite is my country's food,
Wow.
Wow.
What country?
Ethiopia, yes, to be honest.
Okay. I want to try that.
Anjera, they call it Anjera?
Anjera.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll write it in my notes. Do you
Yeah.
have it here in London?
I think, yeah, even like it here, Borough Market.
Oh, there
Oh,
is
no.
one here.
Yeah.
We are riding a Tesla. Oh, electronic vehicle yan. Oh, di ba? The last time I rode it was in US.
Your friend?
2022 with my friend. She drove for me. Itong gantong sasakyan is kinda parang expensive to maintain kasi meron siyang app na meron kang monthly subscription. Tapos usually, yung friend ko meron siyang charging sa bahay. Sa bahay may sina-charge din niya. At saka sa Amerika naman,
mo rin yung charger.
saka sa Amerika marami namang public charging station. Pero mas maganda meron ka na.
Ah, okay. Ako din naman. Isa to sa mga una ko.
Yes, nagpa-picture ako dyan sa wall na yan. Panalo.
Explain mo naman, ba't tayo lagi nag-over?
Mapapansin nyo, lagi kaming nag-Uber only because
Actually, hindi na wala sa plano. Plano namin mag-tube.
yeah, plano namin mag-tube nung papunta pa lang kami dito. Pero nung na-feel namin parang medyo
Hindi namin sure.
Oo, hindi kami sure. We'd rather take the Uber na lang. Since tatlo naman kami, hirap makipag
At saka sabihin mo sa kanila,
siksikan sa
akala namin safe ang tube.
Oo
Pero hindi
guys, so akala namin yung tube safe din. Pero ang dami rin namin nababasa na doon din maraming dukutan. Yung babanggain ka, tapos makukuhanan ka na.
At saka dun yung may sumusunod daw
Oo.
sa'yo,
Pabahay
pauwi
mo,
sa'yo.
o kung saan ka nakatira.
Pag
So parang maaabangan ka. Naka-witness na naman sila Hazel naman ng about dudukot. Sige, explain mo.
nakita na namin sila before pa. Si Jun nakita niya. Tapos tinitigan niya.
Observant ni Jun, ano?
Na-vibe niya lang. So wala pang ginagawa, tinitigan mo na.
Oo.
Tapos after niya yun, ibang instance yun. Ako naman, parang pagkalingon ko, nakatingin siya dun sa cellphone
Sa pocket.
ko. Oo, nandun yung cellphone ko sa pocket ko. So hinawakan ko. So ang nangyari, nandito siya sa gilid ko. Ako tong camera, nandito siya.
Bumibuelo
Gumanon
na.
siya. Umalis na siya. Gumanon na sila.
Mm.
Tapos nakita na naman natin sila dun sa cookies area. Mahaba yung pila. Ang target
Dinikita
nila
yung
is
Chinese na naka-backpack.
Kaso yung Chinese na naka-backpack, hindi
Umalis.
niya alam eh. Anong nangyari? Parang tinamad na silang pumila.
Oo. Ang galing ano? So wala silang suspect.
Wala pa.
Wala silang target pala.
Wala. Pero ang saya sanang sundan kung marami akong time.
May nakita kami sa TikTok. Parang naglalakad lang along Westminster area. Tapos nakita dalawang babae nandudukot, dinudukutan nila yung isang babaeng naka-backpack. Binubuksan, tapos tinatakpan ng pang-sombrero, no?
Matagal siya
Yung
gawin.
kamay.
Oo.
Medyo matagal siyang gawin. Tapos may nakakita sa kanyang lalaki, binidyo sila. Pickpockets, pickpockets, these two lady are pickpockets. Sabi niya gano'n. Ano? Tapos wala, naglalakad lang yung mga pickpockets.
Ay, hindi
na
na-
parang,
They didn't mind.
parang proud pa sila gano'n. So, katakot guys. What?
To be honest, I like Chelsea, you know, the Kensington area. Knightsbridge, Kensington.
Kensington.
Chelsea, that area is cool.
Chelsea, Kensington, yeah.
Never been.
Never been there?
Yeah, it's our first time in London.
Oh, is it?
Second day.
Oh, cool. Holborn.
Hope.
Yeah, Holborn. It's like the city of London where the bank.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So it's the heart of London.
Ang ganda ng araw. Oo, parang, alam niyo,
Oo. nagja-drive.
Oo, nagja-drive na lahat. Ang ganda kasi ng sasakyan namin eh.
So here, Harry Potter.
Yes.
Is it because it's Tesla that the London looks like, nice? From inside here.
London is so good always, to be honest.
Really?
London is nice, yeah.
Okay.
London is good.
Dapat nanood tayo ng play, ano?
Have you watched the play?
Theater,
Theater?
yeah, sometimes, yeah. It's very nice. This area, there are so many theaters. They call it Shaftesbury Avenue, Theaterland. So this is the, you have Harry Potter, all of them here, to be honest.
Yes, Harry Potter.
And on the left here is Chinatown.
Chinatown. You like Chinatown?
Chinatown is also good.
Where we can find the London restaurant.
London, UK restaurants.
Yes.
English food.
English food, fish and chips.
It's all that.
If you want to eat English food, you have to eat fish and chips.
Period. That's it.
That's the proper food of English.
All right. What about the dessert?
No, I've never seen a dessert, to be honest.
Oh.
Only fish and chips.
All right then.
Only fish and chips then.
Okay, period.
Period. That's it.
That's it, yeah.
We are
They're closed today.
sold. Sunday, yung closed din to isa.
Ay, oo nga. They're closed. Yes, everybody is closed.
Bukas mo.
Sunday,
Fun
close ang mga stores dito sa Soho.
Nasa ano lang tayo, parang street ng Soho. Alam mo yun, maganda yung Soho. Hi.
Oy, Tesla again.
EKE.
Oh,
Mercedes.
We've got good ride today. Since the morning, huh?
You had a Tesla again?
Yes.
and then now Mercedes. That's
Very good.
so cool.
So where are you from?
We're from the
Philippines.
Philippines, so you know.
Filipino, yeah.
Yes.
And you are from?
Somalia.
How long you been here in London?
Almost 35 years.
Oh my God, that's a long time ago.
You basically grew up here.
Yeah, most of my life I took in London.
So how was London for you?
London is a great city.
Really?
Yeah.
How about the food? What's your favorite London
is
food?
everything.
Wow! What food do you recommend?
Thai food.
Oh, this time, what's at least there's a change. It's not
There's a
Chinese, huh?
change.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. How about London food? What's your favorite London food?
UK
No,
food.
the
English.
London, we haven't got any specific. We have got international food.
Oh!
We got a lot of African food. We got a lot of Asian food. Like he said, you go like Somali cuisine, Nigerian cuisine, Filipino cuisine as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
So mix up cuisine.
Thai, Chinese, and Indian. Like curries, Indian and Pakistanis, and
Right.
biryani.
But how about the UK food?
No, there's no.
There is not national UK food. There is only one.
What's that?
English breakfast and mashed potato. It's so hard to get a nice food, but now London is very multicultural. London speaks 380 languages.
Wow. What is this place?
This area,
Yeah.
the area is Mayfair. It's like,
Mayfair.
one of the richest area in London. So, Italian food, French food, Mexican.
Yeah, many
Multicultural.
cuisine, but the
Yeah.
London food only English breakfast, huh?
London specific food, that's English breakfast. That's and British. Like English. Mashed potatoes. Like smashed potato. And that's it.
Ba't ngayon nagtagiban dito?
Nasa kabilang street natin.
But these dishes are becoming British now
Okay.
because the flavor is a little bit different.
Yeah. Okay. Got you.
Gotcha.
English breakfast food, and it's all about £4. But honestly, the taste is plain. There's not a lot of spice.
Yeah. Okay.
Where like if you like African and Asian, it's more spicy.
Yeah, it's taste
flavor,
flavorful. Yeah. We're out and about again. We changed clothes. I took a nap. Ang sarap ng tulog ko.
Honestly, like
kind of food you want to like. There is no English food, but like if you want Italian food, you can go Soho. If you Google it, a lot of Italian restaurants, or French restaurants, or Mexican food. If you, I would recommend it. It's more like Asian food, but like flavor is different. Experience something.
It's okay.
There is not a lot of fish and chips in London. Yeah, there is not a lot.
Okay.
But like if you go like a little bit outside London, then you can get. But like if you get fish here, it's like Greek or Mediterranean, and the fishes and that kind of thing is. But no, it's not like plain fish and chips, English fish and chips here.
Okay. Thanks for that.
You're welcome.
Nice tong area na to.
Hanap ako. Siguro 1 hour, no? 1 hour ako. Si Hazel, 10 minutes.
Yes.
Si June, wala.
Wala. Inaayos na yung camera.
Ay, sarap matulog. This is the usual drill. Mabilis lang kami makauwi kasi yung Airbnb namin is centrally located. So, do some, you know, naps. Get something,
So,
and then
what do you want to experience? Do you want to experience
Go
proper
back.
London?
It's our first time in London. It's our second day here. So we haven't experienced much.
Oh, the big travel car.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, have you been in Oxford Street?
Not yet.
Oxford?
Street is nice.
This street is amazing. It's Strawberry Street.
what is it?
A to Z is Strawberry Street. It's
Strawberry?
Like
Shopping.
Shopping. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh no. What's this park?
And this is Hyde Park.
Oh. Yeah.
It's got a boat, then you can take in the boats and you can.
Boats.
Yeah.
So it's like
half an hour tempo. Yeah. You can go
There's
there.
a cherry blossom. Oh my god.
And still they go. And if you're a fish and chips, they have in the
Somewhere
fish and chips
there.
restaurant. 3-star hotel.
Oh,
So like it's my cheap because London hotel is very expensive.
yeah.
5-star hotel London maybe it might cost you like £2,000 a night. Where this one
Gosh.
150, 80 pound, 90 pound, depends if you buy early, or maybe 200 pound maximum. Hotels.
Oh yeah.
More
Same,
hotels.
same.
Yeah. The Arabs, what they did, they buy and book hotels.
They own this.
They're all hotel, all
Ayun,
different. Nice market around the corner called Portobello.
Yeah, Portobello. So
Nothing
for Notting Hill, the movie.
Yeah.
Yes.
The Portobello is amazing. And
This
the
is
restaurants
nice
and bars, they open
place.
until midnight.
Nothing Hill.
It's open till midnight?
Yeah.
We'll walk our way here then.
Yeah, don't worry, this one. Portobello is better.
And like 7 days a week.
7 days a
Play
week.
mo ano saglit.
Saturday they close off, even cars cannot come in.
Oh, Saturday they close a good day.
Monday even the cars cannot come in. London is amazing, I'm telling you.
Wow, it's so
This
fun.
Romanian restaurant, can you see there?
Is this the bookshop? No.
No.
It does look like it.
Yeah.
I have that bookshop like we will see.
Prince Fish and Chips.
Nice yung dinaanan niya. Guess where we are? You see? Notting Hill Bookstore. Hello.
Ito pala yun. This is it.
Diba? Ayos na. It's the Notting Hill Bookstore. Tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow. Yung mga staff recommendation na books. Ano ang letters sila. Look. That famous line. One of my favorite rom-com. So we found the London Fields. Parang dapat una pa lang dito na tayo nagpunta, no? Para wala tayong nasabi. Para masaya na agad. Considering Sunday today, the vibe is lively. Okay, ang lalaki ng flowers ng ano na to, puno na to. Mukhang cherry blossom pero hindi cherry blossom. Oh, dito maganda. Colorful houses.
And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up.
So guys, we found cherry blossoms here in London. Diba? Early spring treat. Bago tayo pumunta sa maraming cherry blossoms sa Seoul, South Korea. Currently walking in this area of Kensington and Chelsea. Isa to sa mga neighborhood na na-check ko to get an Airbnb. Pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, dami kong chinek talaga. Kaya lang hindi ako makadecide which one. Parang natatakot ako.
Ako din.
So parang up. Yes, kaya up to the last minute lang kami talaga nag-decide mag-book. Which is, nandun na kami sa ship. Kaya naman din, napakamahal. 55,000 for 3 nights. Tapos ganong kaliit ah.
Ano, nasa-stress ako sa liit niya.
Oo.
Hindi ako makagalaw.
Magkakabungguan kami. And now, we're heading to Paris tomorrow.
Excited ka?
Excited ako for Paris.
Alam mo, nasasad ako.
Bakit?
Kasi parang isang araw pa for London dapat.
Supposedly, yes. Pero kinat-short namin itong London. Very, very important yung planning eh. Kasi yung location nyo will define your, ano, your stay.
Alam mo, maganda yung location natin. Hindi lang natin binigyan ng job.
Pero
Nakita mo ba Soho yung area?
Yeah, Soho yung area. Pero may takot eh. May takot eh. Baka siguro pag kung babalik. Pero dapat, I mean, I won't spend here going back. If there's work, yes, I will. Pero I know we will be back here. Lagi naman akong optimistic na we can always go back sa ating mga pinupuntahan. Diba? Yeah.
Kensington and Chelsea.
Yan, ganda. Ganda ng neighborhood. Nandito daw yung mga rich. Like yung mga Arabs, yung mga Chinese na bumibili dito ng building. Tapos ginagawa nilang hotel.
Kanina tabi-tabi yung mga hotel, iba-ibang pangalan.
Yes. Tapos yun, guys, itong mga hotels, ganito yung mga itsura. Ganyan na akala mo hindi hotels, akala mo bahay lang. Sisimula na ang kanilang springtime. You see? Those are cherry blossoms. Yan. Ganda. May nadaanan kaming diptyque dito kanina. There. Let's check. Well, hindi naman ako ganun kahilig sa pabango. Kaya lang minsan usi ang mami nyo, di ba? Wala namang masama. Yeah. Sige, wala na kaming ginawa kung hindi mag-Uber.
Westbourne Park? Ba't mo binasa Westbourne Park?
Westbourne Park is here.
Ay, this is Westbourne Park.
Yes.
Paano mo nalaman?
Ni-location ko. So, let's go to Buckingham Palace.
Yeah.
Din natin to see yan.
Yung mga guards.
True.
Yun ang bili ng mommy ni Jun, guys. Magpa-picture siya sa mga guards.
Hello. So we're heading to Buckingham Palace?
Yep.
Yes.
Alright.
Is it near?
We're seeing mga nice hotels. The past days, naghahanap ako ng mga hotels. Parang wala akong makita. Or hindi siya noticeable. Not unlike sa Pilipinas, alam mo, hotel to, hotel yan. Pero ngayon, dito sa area na dinadaanan namin, parang puro naman hotels. So, nandito pala sila concentrated. Anong area na to may pagkakamukha ng Sydney? No?
Oh, pagka-Sydney to, babe.
Put them. Now in Buckingham Palace. Siyempre, dapat pag pupunta kayo ng London, mamasyal kayo dito. Para pag nakikita nyo sa world news, di ba? Ay, I've been there, done that. Ganon. Diba? Kasi lagi siya, di bang, napifeature sa mga world news. O, kaya nga, para malaman natin.
Nandito si si Kate Middleton.
Parang hindi sila dito nakatira. May mga iba-iba silang palace.
Talaga ba?
Oh.
Weh.
Ayun, nabasa ko.
Weh.
Yeah.
Sino nakatira dito?
Meron nakatira dyan pero hindi ko alam kung sino. Very, very safe ang sagot ng mami nyo. Ganun talaga. Kailangan pag sagot mo, smart ka, B.
Babe, alam mo, may nakatira ba dito? Akala ko dito nakatira sila.
Hindi, meron silang iba. Tingnan mo, i-research mo. Wow, guys, look at the sunset. Minsan ang ganda ng sunset. Beautiful sunset. Oh my God, ang ganda. Alam nyo guys, dito sa London, 45 days lang in a year umaaraw. And we are so lucky that the past 3 days, since dumating tayo dito, although the first day is gloomy, pero at least hindi umulan, diba? And then second day, umaraw na. Tapos, third day today, the gorgeous sunset. Look at that. Look at me. I am very careful, kaya ito lang ang dala ko. Wala akong bag. Everything is here. Nandito yung passport ko. Nandito yung aking mga debit card, credit cards. What else? Nandito yung I have cash. What else? I have my phones. At akap-akap ko siya para walang hablutan galore, di ba? Kailangan maingat tayo. Ayokong mawalan. As in, look. Got this from Shopee. Link below. Magkano ang mura ng 190 pesos. Tatlong kulay ako meron nito guys. I have purple, I have gray, and then this blue. A lot of tourists. So we're here. Ayan. Ayan. Gumagalaw naman yan. Tao yan, pati hindi yung gagalaw.
Hindi, bawal daw sila gumalaw eh.
It's the Buckingham Palace. We made it to the Buckingham Palace.
Yes, welcome guys. I'm the princess
of Wales.
Joke lang. Sunset na 7:40
Yes, ang
yata
ganda.
ang sunset. In 1 hour.
Imagine yung sunset dito, 7:40. No? Sa atin, 5:40.
Starting daw ng spring season nila.
Plus 1
They
hour.
Plus 1 hour sila.
Next stop,
Next stop.
book na naman ng Uber. Oh my
So we're
God.
leaving tomorrow. Okay, let's go. Ganun.
Push the button.
Wow, alam mo pala paano eh.
Hello, good afternoon. Pang ilang taxi na natin to for today? June 6. Ganyan din naman ako sa Amerika. That's our choice. What's that? Love it. We still have a few itineraries, yung mga items na we want to click in our bucket list. One is the museum, no?
But it's
closed. Second is Covent Garden, di pa namin napuntahan, which is originally the very first thing na gusto namin gawin.
Yeah.
So that will be for tomorrow na lang. After check out tomorrow, that's Covent Garden saka yung museum. Isingit natin before we head on to Paris. Huh? So for now, let's just explore Oxford. Yeah, going around. That's it. But we have to.
And then after that, it's so long London.
Just have to be really careful in this area kasi doon maraming harbas ba? Pwede nanghaharbas.
Sumasampa talaga sa gilid-gilid.
Guys, akala mo lang pagka nasa sidewalk ka na, hindi na diba,
gilid na gilid.
Oo, yung inner part ng sidewalk akala mo hindi ka na
pero
mahahampasan. Sumasampa ang mga lolo mo. Ladera Hazel, oh.
Wow!
Omega. Kiko Milano.
Guys, everybody spread a plate to a hot meal, please.
So guys, this is one of those tube. So nandiyan dyan yung kanilang train station. Maaga pala sila nagsasarap dito pag Sunday. Lahat ng stores close at 5 p.m.
Yeah.
Walking along Oxford Street in London. Who knew that last year, we will be in London?
True.
This time, last year. Okay,
Yan
pasok tayo. Ay, sarado eh. Papasok ako sa Lush. But it's closed. No exceptions, guys. All stores, may ilaw pero sarado. Ito din, gusto ko din itong pasukin, anak eh. Itong Marks and Spencer. Kasi dito to London yan eh. Kalang kasi mura siya si M&S dito. M&S, Marks and Spencer. Closed talaga. Everything is closed. Our bahay is also closed and open.